Welcome to Links 007
Videographer
TV
arrested
News
after
Report,
reported
providing you
attack
with the
on
best
cops.
in
Hi again
local and
welcome.
international
This is
news
Links 007 TV
updates.
News Report,
This is a
and we'll be
place
right
where you
back
can
with
get
full
the
and
most
exclusive
reliable
details to
and
come.
informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Manchester police have charged 29-year-old Jamar Dawkins, a videographer of St. Paul District, Manchester, with 5 counts of shooting with intent, possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition in relation to an incident that occurred in Montpellier District in the parish on Tuesday, September 26. Reports are that sometime around 12:45 p.m., lawmen were in an unmarked service vehicle on an operation in the area when they were attacked by Dawkins, his brother, and other accomplices who fired several shots at them. The fire was returned and one of the gunmen was fatally shot and a firearm taken from him. Dawkins and the other gunmen escaped. The day after, Dawkins visited the Santa Cruz police and made a report of his brother being shot and his involvement in the incident earlier when he was arrested by the police. Following an interview in the presence of his attorney, he was charged with the offenses. His court date has not yet been finalized and his accomplices are still being sought by the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.